15.
Lots of fuel.
Perfect. Duke Nukem style.
Oh my gosh.
And let's go for a field goal. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's good.
I think it's good too.
I think